In a vibrant and exhilarating celebration of unity and tradition, we head to the beautiful beaches of Bengkulu. On the auspicious occasion of Independence Day of Indonesia, the people of Bengkulu came together for a spectacular Pinang climbing contest. Imagine a breathtaking sight. 78 Pinang betel palm trunks, each towering 6 meters high, adorned with a treasure trove of 12 different gifts. Each trunk strategically placed 15 to 20 meters apart, along with the pristine white sandy beach. It wasn't just a contest, it was a lively competition where 1,100 participants formed teams and took turns climbing the Pinang trunks in pursuit of the coveted prizes. All thanks to the combined efforts of the Bengkulu Provincial Government, Bengkulu Food Crops Department, Horticulture and Plantation Service (RBTV) and PT Wahana Semesta Bengkulu Television. This extraordinary event now holds a special place in the Asia Book of Records. Stay tuned for incredible records right here on the Asia Book of Records YouTube channel.